Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We are using a horseshoe tip soldering iron today to practice spot soldering on this cavity board for the first time. Problems start from the first one. It's not full enough. Considering the length of the video, I speed up the process and it was very slow in practice. This one is not soldered on at all. I'm trying to fill it again. But adding too much tin leads to a tin tip. Another tin tip. Tin tip that appears twice in a row made me afraid to add more tin. This further leads to the solder joints not full. This one is also soldered empty. Here comes a tin connection. After soldered so much, almost every solder joint has defects. There are many typical errors. The rescue failed and a third tin tip appeared. As a beginner, the points I soldered are terrible. I need more practice to improve my skills. After yesterday's practice, I summarized the shortcomings and deficiencies in the process to see if there is progress today. What a good start! Not a big deal. I feel that it becomes a little difficult to solder. Maybe some flux would help. After 2 days of practice, I've been able to carefully solder rounded joints. I consider it as a huge step forward. See you next time.